Alright guys, have you been looking for a reliable broker that will give you instant execution, lower spread and low commission? Then Headway is the right broker for you. So on this video, I'm going to be talking about how to deposit and withdraw using local bank transfer on Headway. So stay with me till the end of this video, you understand what I'm trying to explain. So right now, I'm already logged in on Headway. If you're not signed up, click on the link on my description of the description of this video. Now I'm already signed up. Once you're signed up, you verify your account. You're going to have your dashboard like this once you're logged in, right? So you want to deposit, you click on this menu icon right here, and then you click on deposit. When you click on deposit, it's going to open. Now you have different options to deposit with. So you have local bank transfer, you have Tether, USDT, TRC20, you have Visa, MasterCard, and the likes of them, right? So we are doing the local bank transfer for the purpose of this video. So if you click on local bank transfer, click on local bank transfer, and then you have it like this. So what you do, you put the minimum amount of naira you want to fund, right? So let's say the minimum you can fund the minimum on this broker here is 2,000 naira. But for the purpose of this video, let's just use something above that. So let's just say you're funding a 100,000 naira or 80,000 naira. Let's just put it that way. You're funding 100,000 naira. That is $66.22, right? $66.22. So what you do next, you go straight to the deposit button and you click on it, and a new gateway, I think it's either Pay or Paystack, is going to show you an account number that you will need to transfer from. So on here we already have the gateway opened, Pay, and it is showing Pay. So when you click on I understand, continue, you're going to see an account number to pay from. Now mind you, this account number has a time limit and it does expires. So once you see it, you copy it, go to your bank, transfer this exact same amount. If you transfer anything higher or lower, it's going to be reversed. Transfer this same amount to this account number that has been shown to you. Once you have done that, immediately you're done with that, you're going to be receiving a confirmation on here that the money has been sent. And immediately that has been done, you're going to be seeing the money on your dashboard. You're going to be seeing the money on your dashboard. Yeah, you're going to be seeing the money here. So the same thing for withdrawals. You come here. When you come here, you click on this deposit button. You see withdrawals here. You click on withdrawals, and then you choose local bank transfer. But because I've not done any transfer yet with actual money, they are not going to allow me to use it. But it's the same thing. Once you have money in your wallet after the deposit has been done, you're going to be allowed to click on bank transfer. So when you come here, you do the same thing we did for the deposit on here for the withdrawal. You click on the deposit, but this time you're going to be imputing your account number, your account details on the deposit option, right? On the withdrawal option. So once you're done with that, you submit, and this send you an email that your withdrawal has been processed successfully. All you have to do is wait, and for the next 3 to 5 minutes, you're going to get your money. Easy, fast, and reliable, right? Now, sign up by clicking on the link on the description of this video. Join my Telegram channel to get a free trade setup every week on gold and other currency pair. If you're done with this, click on the link on the description of this video to get your account today. I'll see you guys in my next video. Do well to leave a like button, subscribe, and most importantly, share, so I keep making videos like this for you guys. Peace out.